Good morning everyone. Today discuss about aldehydes and ketones. So what are aldehydes and ketones? So aldehyde and ketones are those compounds which contain carbonyl group. Those compounds which contain carbonyl group having formula C double bond O group. This group is known as carbonyl group. So aldehyde and ketones both compounds contain this carbonyl group. In carbonyl, if two hydrogen atoms join to this carbonyl carbon. If two hydrogen atoms join to this carbonyl carbon, this one is known as aldehyde. Aldehydes, or one hydrogen and another alkyl group, or aryl. R stands for alkyl group and AR. This stands for aryl group. So in case of aldehydes, aldehydes are those compounds in which two hydrogen atoms join to this carbonyl group. This group is known as a carbonyl group, and if two hydrogen atoms join to this carbonyl carbon, these are known as aldehydes. Or if one hydrogen atom and another alkyl group, R group is known as alkyl group, or AR, either R or AR. AR stands for aromatic aryl group or aromatic group. Or this one stands for alkyl, aliphatic. If alkyl group join to carbonyl carbon, this one form aliphatic. This one forms aliphatic aldehydes. Aliphatic aldehydes. Or if aryl group join, this one form aromatic aldehydes. I repeat again, carbonyl compounds in which aldehydes, in case of aldehyde, when two hydrogen atoms join to alkyl carbonyl carbon, this one is known as aldehydes. Or if one hydrogen and another alkyl group join, this one form aldehydes. Or if hydrogen and one aryl group join, this one also form aldehydes. Aldehydes are of two types, aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. In case of aliphatic aldehydes, alkyl group join. Alkyl group may be either CH3 group, CH2, CH3 group. This one is known as alkyl group. And when CH3 group join, this one is known as methyl. And if CH2, CH3 group join, this one known as ethyl group. In case of aromatic, when benzene ring, this one is known as benzene ring. When benzene ring join to this carbon, this one is known as aromatic aldehydes. So clear? Aliphatic aldehydes. And next one is ketones. So ketone is also carbonyl compounds. What are ketones? These are also known as carbonyl compounds. But in case of ketones, two alkyl group join. This one is known as ketones. Why? Because in this case, two alkyl group join to the carbonyl carbon. Or in case of aldehydes, one alkyl group and one hydrogen atom join to the carbon atom. This one form aldehydes and this one form ketones. Or in this case, these ketones are of two types. Ketones are of two types. First one is known as simple ketone. First one is known as simple ketones, and second one is known as mixed ketones. So what is the difference between simple ketones and mixed ketone? In case of simple ketone, if same alkyl group join, same alkyl group means, for example, C double bond O CH3 CH3. This one is alkyl group and this one is alkyl group. But in this case, this one is the example of simple ketone. Which type of ketones? Simple ketones. Why? Same alkyl group join. This one is known as methyl group. This one is also methyl group. If same alkyl group join to the carbonyl carbon, that form simple ketones. And second one is mixed ketone. In case of mixed ketone, C double bond O CH3 CH2. This one is the example of which type of ketones? This one is example of mixed ketone. Why? Because in this case, two alkyl group join. This one is known as methyl group and this one is known as ethyl group. So when two different alkyl group join to this carbonyl carbon, this one is known as mixed ketone, and when same alkyl group join, this one is the example of simple ketones. So dear student, discuss about aldehyde and ketones. So these are carbonyl compounds and they are having formula C double bond O. If hydrogen and one alkyl group join, these are known as aldehyde, and when two alkyl group join, these are known as ketones. So this one is the simple one. Next topic is carbonyl compounds are polar in nature. Carbonyl compounds are polar in nature. Now question arises, why carbonyl compounds? What are carbonyl compounds? Carbonyl compounds are aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. So these aldehyde and ketones are carbonyl compounds. Now question arises, why aldehyde and ketones are polar in nature? So if we discuss about formula, C double bond O. So why carbonyl compounds are polar in nature? This can be explained on the basis of due to difference in electronegativity of carbon and oxygen. Due to difference in electronegativity of carbon and oxygen. We know that carbon and oxygen, these are two atoms, so different electronegativity. Now the carbon atom, which one is more electronegative? So out of carbon and oxygen, which one is more electronegative? Out of carbon and oxygen is more electronegative, therefore they carry partial negative charge, and carbon so less electronegative, therefore they carry partial positive charge. This one is known as delta positive and delta negative. These are the polar compounds, and this one carry partial negative charge because this one is more electronegative. So due to more electronegativity, they withdraw the shared paired electron. This one is shared paired electron, double bond between these two carbon and oxygen atom. And oxygen is more electronegative, so they withdraw this shared paired electron toward itself strongly. Therefore, they carry partial negative charge, and due to on carbon atom electron density decrease, and they carry partial positive charge. So due to difference in electronegativity of carbon and oxygen, these aldehyde and ketones both are polar in nature. Clear? So these are the second concept, why carbonyl, aldehyde and ketones are polar in nature. So aldehyde and ketones are polar in nature due to difference in electronegativity of carbon and oxygen. So oxygen is more electronegative, so they carry partial negative charge, and carbon is less electronegative, they carry partial positive charge. Next one, discuss about nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. Nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. So first of all, discuss about nomenclature of aldehydes. So we can write the name of the given compounds on the ratio of two, common name, and second one is known as IUPAC system. This one is known as, what is the full form of IUPAC system? IUPAC, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This one is the pure full form of IUPAC system. So we can write the name of aldehydes on two bases. First is known on the basis of common name, and second one is IUPAC name. So common name means that we can extract these compounds from that compound. On the basis of this, we can write the name of that compound. That one is known as common name. Or IUPAC name means that they can be write throughout the world, universe in the same manner. First of all, how to write the IUPAC name? So first of all, we can write the IUPAC name of these compound as alkanes. How to write the IUPAC name of aldehydes? As a alkane. Why? Alkane, alk stands for alkane. A. Or al is the suffix. What is the suffix of aldehyde? Suffix of aldehyde is al. ये आपके पास aldehydes आता है और aldehyde का suffix क्या आता है? al आता है. और ये alkanes है. This one alkane. In this case, E of the alkane is replaced with which one group? Al group. So they can form alkanal. So write the IUPAC name alkanal. How to write? First of all, HCHO. This one is an aldehyde group. How to write? So first of all, check how many carbon atom in this compound? One. So well, they can be one carbon atom meet. How these atoms join with each other? Single bond in which functional group present alpha. This one is known as methanol. Second one, CH3CHO. This one is second aldehyde compound. In this case, how to write the UPC name? First of all, count how many carbon atom. 2 carbon atom. So write 2. How these carbon atoms join with each other by single bond? So A, which functional group is present? Aldehyde. And what is fixed for aldehyde? Alpha. The second one is known as ethanol. Third one, CH3CH2CHO. So this one is known as how many carbon atom? 3. Pro. These join with each other. These carbon atoms join with each other by single bond A. Which functional group is present? Alpha. Ethyl propanol. Okay.